There it is, guys. Get you a different angle. There you go. Looks really good. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel CarStomIt. So today we are working on my car and I want to change the antenna. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. I had this antenna for a couple years and it's a shark fin and it's losing its color. So
it's scratched up.
Yeah, it's losing its color and a little bit, the paint is scratched up a little bit. So we're going to change it. So let me show you what it looks like now. Notice a lot of you guys who watch my channel have not subscribed. So second, hit the subscribe button and put notification bell on so you don't miss any of my videos. So without further ado, let's CarStomIt. So here it is, guys. Let me see if you can see what it looks like. It looks so ugly.
Ugly.
It looks so ugly. Look at it. The paint is like literally chipping off, so I want to change it. So let me show you what we're changing it with. It comes in this little box. I bought it from AliExpress. So I already took it out. So this is what it looks like, guys.
Can I see?
Attends. This is what it looks like. And this is the inside. So let's try to take the old one out and put the new one on. Okay guys, so I should be able to just twist this off to take it off, I think. All right, so I'm gonna try. Yes. Okay, it's coming off. Just gotta lift it, the glue. Oh.
Okay.
All right. Use 3M tape for this. Okay, let's unscrew the antenna from it. Okay. 1 second. All right, it's out. So now we have to figure out how to take this 3M tape off. Yes. All right, guys. So I have to. Oh, that's not gonna be easy to take it off, and I don't want to use anything else to take it off, so I don't scratch the car. Okay, it's out. So to make sure, because this took me a long time to center it, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put some tape around here so I can center it properly, and then I'm gonna clean this up and then install the new stuff. All right guys, so do a little bit of rubbing alcohol, there you go, and then lint free, clean this up so I can see the line where it was, so I can.
Is the new one gonna be bigger?
No, it's the same thing.
But it's different color.
Yeah, it's the same size.
Looks like a little bit bigger with the paint.
I know it does, but it's not. Okay, I can still see the line where I need to put it. All right.
A little bit more on the top.
Over here. Yeah, you're right. Clean up here.
If that's a scratch.
Yeah, it is a scratch. You're right.
Whoa. Look how it looks on gray cars.
It looks good on gray cars, right?
Yeah.
This is the new one, like I showed you. Let's clean up this area a little bit with some rubbing alcohol. Okay, now it comes with this little 3M tape. Let's take it out and glue it on, basically.
Can I put it on?
Yeah, leave that alone, please. I'm just putting the 3M tape on carefully so everything lines up properly. I did a pretty good job, guys.
Yeah.
looks really good. Okay, now we go. Now it's onto the car, so we can install it. All right guys, I don't know if you could see the lines. There's the line for the old one. I could still see them. Let's take this out. This is the old one. So first we're gonna put the antenna, attach the antenna. Hold on. Let's make sure it's super okay. I think this needs to go down here. All right, so let's do this again. Make sure this stays in the bottom here. Okay.
Need tape yet? Need tape?
No, I will. Give me 1 second. Okay, I need some tape. Okay. All right, so what I'm doing is just lining this guy up to be straight, and I'm just like from the old marking. Yep, and then I'm gonna put some tape on it. Okay guys, so okay, this looks good. Now let's take out the 3M tape. Cut it. All right, so let's line it up. We have one chance at this. Okay. Yeah, I think it looks good, guys. So now just press it down. Okay. Yep, not going anywhere. Perfect. I like it. So it is, guys. Get you a different angle. There you go. Now, all you have to do is take out this tape. All right. Here we go, guys. Looks really good. Looks really good. Super straight. I like that. All right, guys. The shark fin antenna is installed and looks really good. Hopefully I get good reception. The other one was so-so. I mean, I don't listen to the radio that much anyway, so it doesn't bother me. I just really got it for the look. Looks good. So anyway, like and subscribe. Tell me what you think. So until the next time, guys, peace.